David,
Alright, hey.
Yeah.
So what's your name?
David.
David what?
David James Levins, bro.
Alright. Tell you what.
What?
What do you like to do for fun, aside from stupid shit?
Getting laid.
Smoking.
Smoke a dope, dog, you know, drinking alcohol, the fun shit, you know?
Yeah. Alright. Where do you see yourself 10 years from now? And just show them your hair, bro, so they can see the emo-ness.
Right? I don't know, probably dead from doing stupid shit.
Raving, partying.
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna come out to the city with me.
Yeah, I'm gonna come to the city, you know, kick it with you and the girls, you know, throw a party.
Yeah. Anyways,
Whatever.
alright, how old are you?
18.
Okay, ever had any piercings?
Yeah, I had my ears pierced, my lips, my tongue.
Yeah.
But yeah, my tongue ripped, so hurt like a bitch.
Got any tattoos, my friend?
No, not yet. Probably gonna get one before I go to Colorado, bro.
Yeah, you should probably get that cross right there. Hey, yeah, I guess, like, you know, what kind of ladies do you like?
Emo, goth, kind of.
This video makes you look pale. Nobody can see.